Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is M.A.C and today I'm gonna show you how to create this kind of eye look. And if you are a makeup lover, you definitely don't want to miss this kind of look. So please watch the full tutorial. I'm gonna start with my eyes today and I'm using this Illegal Pro Concealer as my eye primer and the shade is Porcelain. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this Pretty Offset eyeshadow palette. I'm taking a dark blue shade and I'm applying it just here. With the same brush, I'm gonna add some navy blue color. I'm taking another blue color on my Morphe brush. Now I'm going to cut my crease and I'm going to use this Kryolan base in the shade FS38 and I'm taking a small flat synthetic brush. Now I'm going to add some yellowish orange and I'm going to stamp that color. Now I'm going to stamp this hot pink shade. I don't know this is hot pink or not, I don't know the shade name, but I'm going to stamp that color here. Now I'm taking a maroon shade and I'm gonna stamp that color here. I'm gonna cut this line now. For that again I'm using this Kryolan base in the shade FS38 and I'm using this flat top brush by Morphe. Now I'm going to draw a winged liner. But this will be a different type of liner. Now I'm going to add some color in my winged line. Now I'm going to add some liner and I'm using this Faces Canada Ultra Matte Liquid Eyeliner. Now again I'm gonna add a line. Now I'm going to intensify the tail of my wing with this The Balm lipstick and the shade is Loyal because I don't have any orange liner right now with me. Now I'm going to add white gel liner on my lower waterline and this is by Absolute New York. Now I'm going to take a maroon shade. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corner. I'm gonna highlight my eyebrow bone with the same shade. So my eye makeup is almost done. Now I'm gonna put some falsies and I'm gonna complete my face makeup and I'll be right back. So here is the final look completed. I was very much afraid about the result but it is quite good. Saw this look on Instagram and I thought to recreate this look. So yeah, here is the outcome. If you like this look, please give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you will get notification every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.